Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today guys, we're going to make some grilled conch, okay? It's so delicious. Sometimes I'll just go ahead and then do like fried conch, but today, or conch salad, but today I'm going to show you guys how I make my grilled conch, okay? So it's going to be very simple, okay? So let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, here as you can see, I have all my spices, okay? um, Seasoning, Creole seasoning, whatever, and pepper flakes, and onion powder, garlic powder, and some dry parsley, and Italian seasoning, and ginger, okay? And here I have my lime juice, okay, and some green peppers, and red onions, okay, and I have some salt, okay, and tomatoes. I know you guys probably wonder why she making having all that ingredient if you're gonna do like grilled conch. I know. So also guys, the reason why I have all my vegetables, because we're going to have some pickles, okay, for our conchs, okay, and I have some fresh Italian parsley, okay. So the best of it, I have all my conchs already cleaned up, okay. And what I did guys, let me move that away for you guys. What I did guys, you see this, they're very thin, okay. Before I clean them up, I just use my meat mallet, okay. This is very good guys when you're using when you want to do your conch. I use my meat mallet with this, okay. So just like, you know, because you know conch, they very hard to cook, okay. So that's what I did. And yep, so what I'm going to do first guys, and by the way guys, I have my grill already warming up, okay. So what I'm going to do first, we're going to start mixing our seasonings. Let me put on my gloves, okay, before I touch anything. Okay, so let me do this. Guys, oh, by the way guys, how was your weekend? Yeah, today's Monday guys. Yeah, I don't like Mondays. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, let me just get my conchs. I'm going to add some olive oil guys before. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm adding some black pepper. Okay, a little bit of salt, and then we're going to mix everything up. Okay, now it's time for my spices. Okay, guys, I know that thing gonna start making me sneeze a lot whenever I'm using a lot of spices thing guys, a lot of seasoning, especially the black pepper always makes me sneeze a lot. Okay, so I have to mix up everything real good. Okay, all right. I'm going to add a little bit more of my black pepper. Okay, this is good. Yeah, I think they're good enough, right? You see that? Very small. And then that's gonna allow them to just cook easily, guys. Okay, that should be good. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm taking off my gloves. Okay, let me put that aside. Okay guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just grab more few stuff, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now everything's ready. Okay, I already added my a little bit more black pepper. Okay, you see that? Okay, so what we're going to do now, I have my grill. It's very hot now. Okay, so it's ready to go. So what I'm going to do, just place them down like that. Okay, and then get another one. Let me show you guys so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, I know I'm going to get a lot of water from the conchs, guys. Even though I dry them up real good, but you still get a lot of water from them. Okay, so let's just put the last one down. Okay, now we just put that over there. I have this cup at the bottom, guys, to just collect all my extra water from the conch. Okay, so what we're going to do now, guys, while this is cooking, okay, you know what? Let me just add a little bit more dry black pepper, guys. I know. Yeah. So, yep. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to start with our pickles. Okay, you know what? I'm going to cover that up. There you go. Perfect. Okay, now I'm adding some black pepper. Guys, it's very easy when you're making your pickles. You can also get that pre-cut. You see, you don't have to do much. Or you can get your cabbage and then you just do it yourself. Okay, you have to just whatever you want to do. Okay, it's easier for you. Okay, so as you can see, I already added some Maggi powder. Okay, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not too much. Okay, guys, you see that? You see how much water start coming out from the conch? You see? Yep. And now I'm adding all my vegetables, green peppers. Okay, tomatoes. It's optional, guys. It's up to you. If you want vegetables in your pickles, go for it. But if you just want your like just like that without the pickles, you want your coleslaw just like that, that's fine. Okay, so and then now I'm adding my parsley. Okay, lime juice. Okay, I already added my my hot pepper and a little bit of pepper flakes. Now I'm mixing it up. You know what? Do this. So you can making things easy on me, guys. Okay. Smells so good with the conch, guys. Smells so delicious. Okay, so that's it. Let me give it this taste. See if I need anything. Tastes so good, guys. Perfect. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm going to do a little bit clean up, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to flip our conchs. Okay, look at that, guys. You see? Grilled conch. Yeah. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. I can't wait to start eating my delicious conch. Guys, I get excited. Okay, whenever I see food. That's why, guys, I have to stay in the gym all the time and then go run out go do my jogging all the time, guys, every morning, just for that, because I love food. I have to stay in the gym doing my exercise. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going just give them like 5 to 10 more minutes, and then when we come back, we'll get them out. Okay. And also, guys, you see all that water coming from my conch. Look at that. You see that? Now I'm going to throw that away and then put it back, and then when we come back, guys, we'll finish up. Okay. Okay, guys, now it's time to get our conch out. Okay, I think they should be ready. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Yes, look delicious, huh? You see that? Yep. That's why you have to use your meat mallet, guys, because it helps a lot. There it is. Okay, so guys, I just want to grab one. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's so good. It's real good, guys. Okay, now we're going to start adding the rest, and it's a little bit spicy. That's why I use my Creole seasoning, guys. There's a lot of hot pepper thing in it, so it gives it a good flavor. Okay, so yep, just finish that up. I have to lay them down like good, guys, because they can cook through. Okay, I think that should be, let me squeeze that up. Just squeeze that little guy. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, I'm going to wash my hand, and then when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, everything is finally ready. So what I'm going to show you guys, my plate already fixed. Let me show you guys what I have. You see that? Beautiful, huh? You see? My pickles in the middle, and then this is my conch grills. Okay? And this is my plate. Okay? So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to garnish it with a little fresh Italian parsley. Okay, around it. Okay, you have to make your plate look nice, guys. Okay, for my plate. Okay, beautiful. Ha ha ha. Guys, I get excited when I see food. Okay, voila. Beautiful, huh? Bon appetit, guys. Okay, you know what? Let me just clean up my table. Okay, that's it. Alright. That's it, guys. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And remember to leave a comment down below, guys, and share with your family and friends. Okay, this is very delicious, guys. You're gonna love it. It's delicious. Okay, now it's time for me to dig in. This is for you guys. Okay, very good, guys. Oh, I can't wait. I mean, just a little one. Okay. Oh yeah. My pickles. It's all about using your fingers, guys. You don't need no fork or spoon, okay? It's very good. Just dig in. Very good. Thank Thank you for being with me, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.